Hey there, this is Carl Wheezer, and I'm gonna play Super Mario. Yeah, I heard it's a popular game, and it's so fun, from the 80s. Oh wow, it just turned big! Okay, one player game, because there's nobody playing with me. I don't have two players. Wow! Wow! This is so cool! What do I do with this little guy? Oh! I just killed him! What did I just do? Oh no! Ooh! Oh, mushrooms are poison! Don't touch me! Oh, I turn big when I get a mushroom! Wow! I don't know why that Sheena plays this game so much, but I wish he's back from that planet that he's staying forever. Oh! They look like chicken nuggets! Or maybe out of my toilet. Oh! There's more! Oh no! Ah! Oh! Another mushroom! Wait! No! Don't go back! Oh! Oh man! No, I can't jump hiding. Sorry, it's not a verb, but gotta get some of that one. Money, I'm rich. Oh, a little turtle! Can I bet? What? What did I do? It's just a turtle! He's so cute! Like a llama. Okay. Ah! More chicken nuggets! Oh man. Oh, nothing's in this box. Oh no, I just heard the turtle. What? Oh no, they ran away! Ooh, star! Can I have it? Can I have it? No! No! I failed again! Ah! Man. Oh, no! Ah, no! Don't touch me! Use this! Wow! I just hit him. Ooh, star! Ooh! Wow! I'm a ghost! I'm a ghost! Don't tell my mom that. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna hit you guys. Dick! What? I'm right out! That's it! Oh, man. Just calm down, Carl. Oh. Ah! No! Okay, Carl. Just calm down. Calm down. It's just a game. I'm new to the games right now. Oh! Ah! Don't touch me! Oh! Take that! And get a star. Whee! I'm a star! Wait, I'm stuck. Okay. Whee! Take that, both of you! Wait, what does this do? Okay. No mushrooms. Yeah, I did it! I just did it! Give me a 2 fingers to me. Wow. Now I got the flag on the castle. Oh, that's my new house? Okay. Oh. Did I just went inside that pipe? Oh, it's underground. I thought it's a sewers. Oh, now they're blue now. Oh, they're not chicken nuggets anymore. Oh, I got it. I need... Yes! I got it! Yeah! Now I'm big like him! Oh, no! Okay, ooh, more coins. And I'm gonna be rich. And I'll buy a llama! Or maybe a turtle. Take that. What was that? Are these secret boxes there? Nope. Wait. Oh man, can't get up. Oh man, come on. Are these secret boxes? Let me see. Oh, a star! Let me make a wish. Why is it not letting me make a wish? But I'm super! Woohoo! Oh man, not anymore. Oh, a red one. I wish I have a llama for Christmas, but I wish I have a turtle. I like llamas. What's up here? Oh man, never mind. Let's go in there. Wait, back again? Oh, there's a shopping plant. I could return that to Jimmy Neutron. That might be his plant. I just saw that come out from the pipe. Yeah. Oh, water flow. Oh, sorry. My mouth must be. Oh, wait, I gotta use my hair. Oh, yeah, that feels good now. Trees! Wow! Oh, hey! Why did it not let me up? Oh, ow! That's not very nice. No! Oh, come on, you gotta be kidding me. What? Wait, can I continue? Oh, yeah, I can. Carl Wheezer to the... What? Back to the beginning? Oh no. Gotcha. Okay. Forget that. I'm being small now. Wait, does this pipe give me a secret? What the? Whoa! I found a secret and I'm rich! Yay, I'm rich! Oh man, I'm gonna buy Jimmy Neutron a lot of inventions that he could build. Okay. Alright. Now I got the flag. Yay! I did it. Alright, so what's next now? Oh yeah, the same underground level. Alright. Why would I hurt a turtle? That's not very nice to hurt a turtle. Okay. Now I gotta jump these blue guys that look like Smurfs. And get that mushroom. And I'm big. Yep. It's good to be big. And not good to be small. Okay. What? It just hit me! Why would this happen? That wasn't even fair. Okay. Gotta concentrate. Don't want to get distracted. Just get this mushroom. Here we go. Ow! Oh no, I'm tiny again. What if I can jump on them to get up? Nope, did not work. Ah! That was close. Oh no! I wasn't going to end up like this. Okay. Jump! Oh. No! Oh, what do I have to? No, I just pressed the block up. Oh no, I can't go back. That's too bad. I don't want to get hit by that one. Oh, hello, turtles. I'm going to jump on you. Okay. Miss me. Yay! Wait, why does it not go? Oh, one last straw. Oh my god. One last straw. I got the mushroom now. Give me up. Oh. Take that. Now up here, I'm rich. Wait, do I remember the star over there? Oh yeah, I do. I'm gonna get it up. Gotta hurry. Give me a star. I will make a wish. I wish I was smart like Jimmy. But I look fat and wearing like a German. I gotta No, I just killed Jimmy's plant. Oh no. Oh wait, there are tons of plants right there. I must return his plant to him. Oh, there's his plant. I seen that. Oh, got up in the middle. Alright, now I'm here to save my croissant. I'm here to save my croissant. I heard that my croissant is kidnapped by that guy named Bowser. Okay, on the trees again. And I can't get up here. I'm gonna hit that turtle. There, take that. Whoa! Don't want to get hit by chicken nuggets again. They're squashed. No, I'm not gonna eat them again. Wait, what's in there? I better look in there. Wait, a flower? Wait, I changed the costume. What? Whoa, I can fire! Whoa. Okay. got it. Okay, good. No! I was so close. That's enough time of this. Neutron, Jimmy Neutron. I think I'm done with this game. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I think Snippy might make a next gaming video, but after him, I'll have another game to play. I'll see you later. Wait, where's my hailer? Oh, there it is. I wonder if Sheen's back.